Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a requirement pop-up in Magento 2 on the product detail page. So let's start it. So here like this I'm going to create it. So how we are going to create this form and how to add this button over here up below add to cart. Okay, so let's start. So how we're going to create this kind of pop-up. So let me go to my folder structure. So this is my folder structure etc view and registration.php. In etc there's only module.xml, and in module.xml don't forget to add module sequences Magento catalog. Okay, that we have view content. Then this already layout, templates, web and require configure.js. So in layout we know catalog protect view.xml used for adding a block. So here I'm going to add a block in the add to cart. After add to cart, I'm going to add a template rendering, that is popup.html. In popup.html, if I go templates, product catalog, product view, popup.html, here there is a full form. There is a button that we have created, that is code requirement, that is coming here, code requirement. After that, modal is there. This is a full-fledged modal. After clicking on that, it will display. By default, it is display none. Okay, so how we are going to render this on click button? So for this we have to add a JS. So let me go to the view front end. There is a required JS. So here we are passing app pointers JS modal.component. So here if I go to the web JS modal my component, so here we are adding the pop-up. So function modal responsive buttons and text should be continued in that text, and when I click on this pop-up button it will open modal. So this is the pop-up. When you click on that pop-up model, if I go and check ID of that, so you will find it. There's a type button, there is a ID is pop-up button. So when I click on this I click on that, it will open the modal. Okay, so this is the whole logic, and there is a close modal also. So yeah, these are the files where I click on that, it will open that modal. Rest functionality I haven't implemented, but you can open the modal. When you click on that, you can ask question, you can make it as a ask query from the product detail, you can make it as a quote requirement form, you can also make it as a post required, any of the requirements that wants that related to the product that user wants right. So this form that can be utilized over here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.